In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma slides presentations. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you want to head over to your Figma files within your project. To do this, simply navigate to your Figma dashboard and open the project you want to work on. Once you're there, you'll notice an assortment of files linked to this particular project. After you've located the files, look to the top left corner of your Figma interface. You'll see the Figma logo, which acts as a drop-down menu. Click on that, and it will reveal a list of options. This is where you'll start setting up your presentation. Next, from that drop-down menu, select the File option. When you hover over it, you should see a new submenu open. In that submenu, look for the option labeled New and click on it. Here, you will encounter the option labeled Slides. Go ahead and click on that. This will create a new slide presentation space tailored for your needs. Now, congratulations! You've just opened a workspace designed specifically for building slides. This will provide you with all the tools you need to create visually engaging and informative presentations. You'll see that the layout is user-friendly, allowing you to drag and drop elements, adjust your slide sizes, and integrate various resources right into your presentation. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the right side, you'll find your Properties panel, where you can modify settings like text styles, colors, and more. This gives you the flexibility to maintain a consistent and appealing design throughout your slides. Moving forward, you'll want to start adding content to your slides. Click on the slide where you want to begin, and let's add some text. Simply select the Text tool, click anywhere on the slide, and begin typing. You can change the font, size, and color using the Properties panel. You can also bring in images and graphics to enrich your presentation. To do this, click on the Image tool and either upload an image from your device or drag one directly into the workspace from your desktop. Don't forget to adjust the sizing and positioning so that everything looks cohesive. Another powerful feature is the ability to create links within your slides. You can link to external resources, other slides in your presentation, or even interactive elements. This is particularly useful if you are trying to create a more dynamic viewing experience for your audience. Once you're happy with the content of your slides, the last step is to present your masterpiece. Figma provides a present mode that allows you to showcase your slides in a clean, full-screen format. Simply click on the Present button to view it as your audience will see it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning presentation using Figma. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different design elements to truly make it your own. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy designing!